Good morning, Moses Lake High School. This is your counseling department here, and today we're going to be going over the registration process and materials. So first, you should each have your hands on a registration form. And today, for the example, we'll be using a senior registration form for the class of 2020. It'll look different for each class. So if you are a current junior, you should have a senior registration form. If you're a current freshman, you should have a sophomore registration form, so on and so forth. So the first thing we're going to look at is to make sure your student last and first name are correct on the form, the teacher and room number are correct, as well as your Skyward login information. So next, we're going to go to the Moses Lake High School website, and underneath the counseling department in registration and scheduling, you can find and have access to all these registration forms right here in case you lose it. There's also some information on registration. And then right here at the bottom is a link to this video that you're watching right now in case you would like to watch it again when you're registering. And then right here at the top right of the page is a link to the course guide for this year. So you go ahead and click on that link and it'll take you right here to the online course guide. So we're just going to go over the course guide a little bit and show you more information about it. So the first page is the table of contents. And the awesome thing about this page is online. So if you're like, okay, English, you can click on English and it'll take you right to that department. And we'll show you that a little bit later. Next, you have graduation requirements. This is a really good page to pay attention to and making sure that you're checking boxes off as you go. Look at what's required of you before you graduate. More graduation. Next, we have a lot of information on post-secondary information. You want to look over all this on your own because I'm going to go through it pretty fast. We don't have too much time right now, but the course guide is a wealth of information. So more post-secondary. This is good to go over with your parent, just the registration and scheduling information. And once again, if you have more questions, right here is sample four-year plans for your plan after high school. So this is a standard university plan. Next is a technical college, military job ready plan, and also there's a competitive university plan. Next, if you have any questions on Running Start, this is a really good place to start and get more information and also speak to your counselor. But right here, this can answer a lot of good questions in regards to Running Start. And then there's program opportunities. For example, if you're interested in a CB Tech, right here you can find out more information, and we encourage you to speak to your counselor if you're interested in that as well. Athletics. Okay, right here is important. We are getting into the courses. So right here's the list of courses that you can take, the next 2 pages, courses that you can take at Moses Lake High School. So if you look like at this top one, so this is English 9 A and B. A and B means it's a year-long course. You have to take the B if you take the A. Right here is the course code. So when you're putting this on your registration form, you would put EN0911 and EN0912. And then over here to the right is the credit that it's worth. So your 1 year long English 9 course is going to be worth 1 credit. So let's look more into a specific class to get more information. So I'm going to go back up to the table of contents that I showed you right here on the second page. And we're going to look at physics. So that's a science course. I'm going to click on science. And that's going to take us straight to all the science courses. I'm going to find physics A and B and click on it. So right here is the description of physics. So you're like, okay, what is physics? I kind of am interested in it. I know I want to take it. Right here, you can find the description of the course. Right here underneath the description is the prerequisites. So this means what classes you have to take before you can take physics. So for physics, the prerequisite is an Algebra 2 class, or you're currently enrolled at the same time in an Algebra 2 class. The grade level means this is offered to 9th through 12th graders. The duration, you have to take it for 2 semesters, so it's a year-long course. The credit that you can earn through your graduation credits is it's worth 1 credit of a lab science or an elective. And then right here, the CADR, the CADR, means that this meets college science or math requirement in order to attend a college or university. And then right here at the course code at the very bottom, like we covered before, so semester A, when you're putting this on your registration form, it would be 2 boxes in your science or elective, and you would put physics semester A, the course code would be SC12111, and then the second semester in the next box would be SC1212. Okay, next we're going to go over some Skyward information in your graduation requirements and how to register.